Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I wish you to be fine. This is our seventh lecture. It is about conjunction. Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases, and words together for constructing sentences. The distinct feature of conjunction expressed in this definition is that conjunction is used to join clauses, phrases, and words together for constructing sentences. Below here we have these 9 sentences in which we have made use of conjunction. I have underlined the conjunction for your convenience to identify it. The first sentence is Abdurrahman and his friends play together. The noun phrase Abdurrahman, his friends play together are conjuncted by making use of and conjunction. Ibrahim plays football well, but his friend plays better. The first clause Ibrahim plays football well, and the second clause his friend plays better. Both clauses are conjuncted by making use of but conjunction in the second sentence. When he was in Lahore, I went to see him. When he was in Lahore, the first clause, I went to see him, the second clause, both are conjuncted by making use of when, and it is used it is used with the first clause in the beginning of the sentence. If they were older, they could go to the party. Similar is the fourth example given here, in which the conjunction if is used in the beginning of the first clause of the sentence, and it conjuncts both these clauses. They were older, the first clause, they could go to the party, the second clause. Both clauses are conjuncted by making use of if conjunction. Take your mobile with you. This is the first clause of the sentence, and the second is you miss the train. Both are conjuncted by making use of in case conjunction in this sentence. He looks very fit in spite of his age. The first clause is he looks very fit, and the second noun phrase is of his age. Both are conjuncted by making use of in spite conjunction in this sentence. She came first. This is the first sentence. Therefore, she got a seat, and this is the second sentence. Both these sentences are conjuncted regarding their meaning by making use of therefore conjunction in the seventh sentence. The eighth sentence is they can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. The first clause of the sentence is they can listen to music, and the second is they disturb nobody. Both are conjuncted by making use of provided conjunction in this sentence. And the last example is you don't need to go. This is the first clause of the sentence, and the second is you want to. Both these clauses are conjuncted by making use of unless conjunction in the ninth sentence. Afterwards follow these classes of conjunction. Conjunctions can be divided into two main classes. The first class is coordinating conjunctions. They join sentences of coordinate of equal rank together. They join sentences of coordinate means equal rank together. He came here and he met me. The first sentence is he came here, and the second is he met me. Both sentences are coordinate rank, and they are conjuncted by making use of and conjunction in the first example. The second example is he came to see me, but I was not at home. The first sentence is he came to see me, and the second is I was not at home. Both are conjuncted by making use of but coordinating conjunction in the second example. Below are given these coordinating conjunctions used in English language. Let's go through them and both, also, to, as well as, no less than, not only but also, now, well, either or, neither nor, otherwise, also, but, still, yet, nevertheless, however, whereas, while, only, therefore, then, so, then, for. These are coordinating conjunctions used in English language. The second kind is the second class is subordinating conjunctions. They join a subordinate or dependent clause to a principal clause of a higher rank. Here we have this example in which we have made use of this subordinating conjunction. I will read that book. This is the principal clause of the sentence, and if you advise me is the dependent clause of the sentence. This dependent clause of the sentence is conjuncted with the principal clause of the sentence by making use of if subordinating conjunction. Below are given these subordinating conjunctions used in English. They are that, because, which means since or as, so that, in order that, lest, if, unless, as if, whether, though, however, notwithstanding, as, as much as, no less than, as far as, according as, while, as soon as, after, since, and the last one, so long as. In this seventh lecture, we have collected, we have gone through the definition of conjunction. In the beginning, conjunctions join phrases, clauses, and words to construct sentences. Afterwards, we had 9 examples in which we made use of conjunctions and I signified them by underlining them. Afterwards, we came up to 2 classes of conjunction. The first class termed coordinating conjunction, and the second class termed subordinating conjunctions. Excuse me. Yes, the first class termed coordinating conjunctions and the second class termed subordinating conjunctions. Afterwards, we also collected these coordinating and subordinating conjunctions used in English language. If there is any inconvenience or if you don't understand anything, please do ask questions. I hope you are doing well. Thank you. God bless you. Inshallah, soon we will come up with next lecture. Allah Hafiz.